In the fast-evolving landscape of website hosting, managing Linux VPS and dedicated servers for WordPress hosting requires top-notch control panels that offer ease of use, robust features, and optimal performance. Thankfully, software as a service, SaaS, control panels have emerged as a popular solution, simplifying server management and empowering website owners and developers alike. In this video, we will explore the 9 best paid SaaS Linux server management tools designed to efficiently manage Linux VPS and dedicated servers, ensuring seamless WordPress and PHP hosting experiences. Let's take a look at GridPane. It's a premium SaaS control panel that caters to WordPress hosting on VPS and dedicated servers. It distinguishes itself by focusing on high performance and security. It also uses open lightspeed. With GridPane, users can enjoy easy one-click installations of WordPress and staging environments to test changes before deploying them live. Additionally, GridPane offers server-level caching and optimizations for unbeatable website speed. The Linux Server Management Tool's centralized dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of server health and resource usage, allowing users to identify potential bottlenecks and optimize server configurations accordingly. GridPane is an ideal choice for those seeking professional-grade WordPress hosting with unparalleled performance. The second popular choice in our list is RunCloud. It's a user-friendly and scalable SaaS control panel tailored for WordPress hosting on cloud servers. With its intuitive interface, RunCloud enables quick server setup and effortless management. It supports multiple cloud providers, including AWS, DigitalOcean, Contabo, Hetzner, OVH, and Google Cloud Platform. For WordPress hosting, RunCloud streamlines the process with one-click installations, automatic updates, and server backups. Moreover, its team collaboration features make it suitable for agencies and developers managing multiple client websites. Let's have a look at Cloudways. It stands out as a flexible and managed SaaS control panel offering a seamless experience for WordPress hosting on VPS and dedicated servers. Users can choose from various cloud providers, such as DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, Google Cloud, and Vultr, with easy server deployment. Cloudways' managed environment ensures automatic updates, server monitoring, and advanced caching mechanisms to optimize WordPress performance. It also includes a built-in content delivery network, CDN, for faster loading times across the globe. The fourth option is Ploi. It's a modern and developer-friendly SaaS control panel designed to simplify server management for WordPress hosting. It streamlines server setup with a straightforward interface and supports multiple PHP versions. With Ploi, users can enjoy features like SSL certificate installation, easy Git integration, and cron job management. Ploi's focus on developer needs makes it an excellent choice for those who want a smooth workflow when hosting WordPress websites. Another option is SpinupWP. It's a straightforward and cost-effective SaaS control panel for WordPress hosting on cloud servers. Developed by the creators of the popular WP Rocket plugin, SpinupWP ensures optimized server settings to deliver exceptional website performance. The control panel includes one-click WordPress installations, automatic backups, and server monitoring. With its affordable pricing and simple setup, SpinupWP is a great choice for individual website owners and small businesses. Let's have a look at ServerPilot. It is a cloud-based SaaS control panel designed for developers and agencies managing multiple WordPress installations. It offers easy server management with one-click installations and automatic updates. ServerPilot's powerful features include PHP version management, Jinx configuration, and MySQL database optimizations. With its focus on simplicity and performance, ServerPilot is an excellent choice for WordPress hosting enthusiasts. Let's discuss Moss. That is an innovative and user-friendly SaaS control panel that simplifies server management for WordPress hosting. It supports various cloud providers, making it flexible for different hosting environments. With Moss, users can enjoy automated backups, easy domain management, and seamless WordPress installations. The control panel's clean interface and time-saving features make it a solid option for both beginners and experienced users. Now we are about to explore some SaaS tools for Laravel, a PHP framework. Laravel Forge is a specialized SaaS control panel targeted at developers using the Laravel PHP framework. While its primary focus is Laravel projects, it can also be used to host WordPress sites on Linux VPS and dedicated servers. Laravel Forge streamlines server setup and deploys with Git integration, server provisioning, and SSL certificate installation. Its advanced features cater to developers seeking complete control over server configurations. Last but not the least is Envoyer. It is another SaaS control panel specifically designed for Laravel projects, but it can also be utilized to manage WordPress hosting on Linux VPS and dedicated servers. With Envoyer, users can deploy code changes seamlessly through Git integration, automate server configurations, and manage multiple deployment environments. Its intuitive interface and performance-focused features make it an appealing choice for developers with WordPress hosting needs. The 9 best paid SaaS control panels or server management tools listed above offer a diverse range of features catered to various user needs for managing Linux VPS, from high-performance options like GridPane and Cloudways to developer-centric choices like Ploi and Laravel Forge. Each control panel brings unique advantages to the table. As you explore these options, consider your specific requirements, budget, and technical expertise to select the control panel that best aligns with your WordPress hosting goals, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free server management experience. If you are seeking any help to migrate your websites to any of these paid control panels, or you want to manage your Linux server hosting either Cloud VPS or dedicated server, and also want to reduce monthly server management tool costs, you can always get in touch with us, and WebSol expert team will make sure to deliver excellent results, and your website customers will enjoy the blazing fast website loading times.